Good morning, Reykjavik.
You should probably transfer these before, in case something happens when you know what I mean? When I charge it.
Give me a sec, this tea's really good. Good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day in Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik? Reykjavik.
I think the locals say Reykjavik.
You know, I think I'm saying it right. I might not be. Please correct me if I'm not. It is around like 10 a.m. We woke up kind of late this morning. One, because the sunrise in Iceland isn't until like 9:15, so we just didn't like realize it was morning. And two, because both of us have been traveling for a good long time and we're very tired. I think this morning we're gonna keep it chill. We just made some breakfast. We have oatmeal with bananas and peanut butter and honey, and we're just sitting here with our computers and we're gonna kind of lay out our plan for Iceland. Obviously things change, so like our plan might change, but we're just gonna kind of get a grasp of where we're thinking of going and how long it might take us to get there. And then my mom's boot broke, so we have to go to a cobbler and maybe a thrift shop, try to find some new shoes.
How do you say cobbler in Icelandic?
Oh yeah, this morning we spent like maybe 5 minutes trying to figure out how to say cobbler in Icelandic, so we could search it in Google, and turns out it's just cobbler. So that was a really fun journey. But yeah, food time, research time, and then we're gonna go and explore Reykjavik. Yay! So we have finally ventured out on the streets of Reykjavik, and we're headed to our first stop, which is a thrift store to try to find my mom some alternate shoes while she brings hers to the cobbler, or cobbler in Icelandic. Here we are. Oh, we made it. We're already here, so let's go explore.
Maybe this fate was overdue. Baby, it's late and I'm confused. You showed me love that wasn't real.
We are currently back at the Airbnb, as you can tell. Where I'm sitting has really good lighting. Like every time I vlog here, it's like, hello. We are both so tired. My mom's jet lagged and I'm just like a tired human. But we're currently sitting here comparing passport stamps, and we're gonna try this Icelandic liquor thing. Wait, here, you wanna talk about it, Mo?
I met these guys on the WOW flight, and they were so cute. They were like, "This is really good. This is really good. It's like liqueur." And I was like, "What time of day do you drink it?" And they're like, "You know, when you want to party." And then they're like, and it's great because originally it was a candy and now it's a liqueur, so it's kind of grown up with us.
Yeah, that's some killer marketing right there. Having a candy and then making a liquor of it. Like
it says Icelandic licorice based liqueur with wild berries and sea salt.
It actually sounds good. Like I'm excited. Those are all things that I like. We also stopped at the church thing that everyone thinks is awesome. It was okay. Like it was cool. It was like kind of a sad church. Like, you know, like sometimes, what?
It's true.
It's true. She was like, don't say that. But it was like, I guess it was minimalistic, like if that's your thing. But like, I don't know, in the scheme of churches, it was like, didn't really bring me joy. But maybe that's not the point. I don't know. So that's my little impression on that one. It was cool to see. Didn't pay to go up because like, what's the point? But yeah, sorry. Now we're gonna go try this liquor thing.
Cheers.
Shall we?
To Reykjavik.
Reykjavik.
Just a sip.
Whoa.
Tastes like cough syrup. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No. Do you?
It's like not bad. It's not good. It tastes like
You
candy.
can leave it here. Do you like it?
You're so cheesy. What would you do if you had a YouTube channel? Like, would you?
I think I'd be funny.
I mean, this is your chance to try.
Alright, let me think. Well, I'd ask good questions like,
Yeah, it's not good, Mom.
what's your favorite place to visit in
like-
Reykjavik? Reykjavik. What's your favorite place to visit? And we asked the cobbler that question. He was like, I have no thoughts. And we're like, okay, this is your city. So what did he say finally? He was like, nothing.
He was like, yeah, we don't really do anything here. So guys, I'm eating a cracker and we've gotten, oh my god, fall down. We've gotten all bundled up and we're leaving the apartment. It was really hard to do. I was very tired and I just wanted to watch YouTube and do nothing. But now we're going to this pool hot tub place. It's full moon tonight, so we might be able to see the moon from the hot tub. That would be pretty sick. But yeah, I was laughing because I was avoiding leaving the house to walk literally 0.1 mile and go to a hot tub. Like what? Like what is my life? How is that what I'm avoiding? Anyways, here we go. Let's switch to some GoPro footage and hot tub.
Where did I go? When did the sun rise? How did I fall? Got lost in the moonlight. Where did I go? When did I realize